Hi, I'm Chris, president of Five Star Engines. I started Five Star Engines over 30 years ago, and with the help of my father and a great team of employees, we have remanufactured thousands of engines from stock to high performance. Typically, we get a core in, strip it down completely, so just the heads, block, and crank remain. From there, the cast iron components go into an industrial oven for the thermal cleaning process. Following this, the cast iron cylinder heads, crankshafts, and blocks go into an industrial shot blasting machine. After the crankshafts are thoroughly cleaned, they are reground and micro-polished to proper specifications. The blocks are then checked, bored, and precision honed. Rotating assemblies can be precision computer balanced with the proper harmonic balancer and flex plate or flywheel. Following these procedures, the block is again spotless clean and professionally assembled. The heads go through a similar cleaning process and inspection and then sent to the cylinder head shop for remanufacturing and assembly. Short block assemblies and cylinder heads are then assembled in a long block form or complete to turnkey crate engines. If you have any questions about our remanufactured engines or complete crate engine assemblies, please call anytime at 623-939-0345. Thank you.